Hey guys, Dave Kimbrough here with the Kimbrough Team Remax 4000. It is October the 11th. Holy smokes. I can't believe we're already into fall, especially as warm as it's been, right? Crazy, unseasonably warm temperatures doesn't spell great things for the upcoming ski season, but let's hope we see that change relatively quickly. Anyway, first part of October, so it must be market stats, and that's exactly what we've got. Market stats for the month of September here on October 11th. So if you like data, there's good data right underneath here. Just click on the link and you'll go have the ability to go through our market stats and to your heart's content. There's a lot of good data in here if you like to dig around. So the month of September numbers, total sales were down about 8%, but overall, property values are still holding their own. Actually, median sales prices were up 8% in the month of September, which is a spike from the previous months that we had seen some kind of continual declines there. So a little bit of a yo-yo going on with median sales price, but again, overall rule of thumb here is thus far values have been pretty much holding their own. One thing to keep an eye on and continue to keep an eye on, and we've done that over the year and we've marked it out on I think every one of these, is inventory levels. We now have the highest inventory that we've had since pre-COVID. So we've seen a consistent increase in inventory throughout 2024, and frankly, I anticipate that to continue through the end of this year and into early next year. But inventory levels continue to rise. That's a good thing if you're a buyer because you got a lot more selection, and you might have sellers that are definitely a little bit more willing to negotiate. It's not a great thing if you're a seller because you have more competition and buyers have a little bit of a heavier hammer to throw when they come and make offers. Interest rates, they've been kind of yo-yoing. Fed dropped the basis points about half or 50 basis points a few weeks ago. We saw interest rates decline slightly before that. They declined a little bit more after that. Now they've gone back up. They seem to be yo-yoing around, but right now we're kind of 6.25 to 6.5 on interest rates, which is a market improvement from earlier in the year. So that's good news, but still not good enough to significantly move the needle on buyer activity. But overall, it's better than it has been, and for that, we're thankful. Days on market have remained steady. Again, they did the same thing in the month of September. For the last 4 months, we've been between 73 and 75 days, average days on market. So that has been very steady throughout the last 4 months. So that's kind of a quick snippet on what happened for the month of September. Again, dig into the details below if you want to go to the link. But next time, it's hard to imagine. Next time I talk to you guys, we'll be past the presidential election. So there seems to be a lot, I think there's a lot of people kind of waiting to see what's going to happen with the presidential election, which is having a little bit of an impact on the marketplace as far as real estate is concerned. So believe it or not, but in 25, 26 days or whatever it is, we'll have an answer. Well, probably not, right? I mean, it'll probably be 35 days from now. We'll know, but at least the next time I speak to you, we'll have the election behind us. Whether we'll know who wins or who didn't, that's to be seen. But at any rate, next time we'll have a better idea, at least to create some hypothesis for how the markets will be moving going forward. Anyway, have an amazing month of October. Enjoy a safe and happy Halloween, and we'll see you in November.